What's up, YouTube? This week we're on the road again. We are in Charleston, South Carolina, and we're gonna do some saltwater fishing with my good buddy from Z-Man Fishing, the president, CEO, head honcho, Daniel Nussbaum. We're gonna do some red fishing, speckled trout fishing, probably a little bit of whatever bites down here. But I love the low country. I promise you this is gonna be a super cool segment, even if the fishing isn't good. Low country South Carolina, is specifically Charleston, has the best vibe, just cool culture down here. So we'll check out some of the attractions here in Charleston and hopefully run into some big redfish in the process.
He might have been ready to, so I mean, he's already finished school. Everybody's like that, whereas
60 degrees already this morning. There's not even that many boats here at the ramp, so I'm ready to get at it. So here we go, folks. We're gonna do a little saltwater fishing. We just got here to the coast. Just dropped Daniel in. We're gonna get out there, see if we can catch some trout, a few speckled trout, a few redfish. It should be a good day. The weather looks phenomenal. Here we go, here we go. But that's mine. I was like, oh, he's got what I got tied on.
Yeah, I got a Ned Rig right there.
First one of the morning.
Little guy.
Little guy on the shrimp po' boy. Ooh. Bottom. Cool. My first one, a little trout here. The TRD. There's a. Oh, the cooler.
There's a.
And Daniel's been catching on a shrimp po' boy. This is the trick trouts with a trout eye jig head. What is it, 3/16 ounce?
3/16 ounce, yep.
3/16 ounce jig head. Real simple setups. So what I've caught all my trout on today is just a little white lightning TRD, and this is the new Z-Man Ned Locks head. It's got a little bigger gauge wire hook in it. Trout? Yeah, that's a much better one. That was on
that trout trick, trout on jig head.
On the jig head. So we're changing spots here. We're going to fish a hot water discharge here. That's off a paper mill, right, Daniel?
Yep, that's right. Yeah.
Paper mill.
Water coming out of there will be about 10 degrees warmer, and actually saw a manatee here last week.
Yeah. So if we see a manatee, I may scream. Better.
A little small still. Little trout.
Number 2. We both got one. Can you see them? TRD and then shrimp po' boy. They're both gone.
Yeah.
Trout tricks, because the tricks, we trick the trouts, kinda. There's another little trout on the bubblegum TRD right there. It's fun catching these little deals. Catch them just about every couple casts when you find the right school. Just moving around a lot until we find the right structure and the right group of fish that wants to bite. All right, so we caught plenty of trout, which according to Senior Daniel we didn't, but to me we did. We caught like, I don't know, a dozen or so, maybe more.
15, 16, I think.
15 or 16 trout this morning. Just bouncing TRDs around, and Daniel fished the trout trick a lot. Just bouncing around. Never really found a big school. We kind of had to jump around from place to place to catch some fish. So now we're going in for the glory. We're going to do some red fishing, switching up baits a little bit. Let's see what we're fishing here. We're going to fish the...
So we got the scented paddlers rigged on our Easy Keepers hook. It's great because it's weedless. Come right through the grass easy. Got a little bit of scent on it. Those redfish really get dialed in on the scent, and a thin paddle tail with really subtle action. These fish can be kind of spooky and a little jittery this time of year, so that kind of helps.
Cool. So we'll just kind of daub that thing around in the grass a little bit, and I'm looking forward to this. It should be fun. They're a little bit stronger than the trout, so I think you're gonna hear some drag singing. So you're gonna go back to our left?
Yeah, we're gonna go
okay.
this way. We'll see what
It's just I mean, just very few times that I get to fish around in grass and shallow like this, and like that one-on-one contact. Yeah. Here's one right here in front of me. He went to my bait. He went to my bait. Oh, actually, he spooked. Here we come, right at me, right at me, right at me. Got one. Look at all of them. Look at all of them. Yeah, cool. They were everywhere. Good one. Pull my drag, boy. Yes, sir. More?
No,
Oh, you didn't have a video?
here, hold them up, Brian.
Yeah. Also good. Mine does it all the time. I got it on, but it's on my chest, but take a picture. I'll give you my phone too if you need it.
Oh, man.
Too full?
Yeah.
That's all good. Hold on. Too quick. There's another one. There's another one. He came from over here. I'm gonna throw out in front long ways since we know there's some here. That's good. And they want, oh, got one? Dang. Yeah, I kind of did too.
I was really fast to get over there.
Let me get down. Oh, there's one following him. There was one following him. Another good one. There's one running out with him.
Not what we're looking for, but it's a fish.
It's a fish. We like to catch fish. Yes, we do. All right, cool.
I actually sped it up to get it over there shelf.
I never saw him until you set the hook. Oh, there's one. Hey, Daniel, throw behind us. There's a bunch of them. I'm hung up. Yeah, just throw right behind us. There's a bunch of them. I'm hung. If you throw just straight back there, yep, you bring it to them a little bit maybe. They may come get it. I'm hung up. I didn't want to jerk it loose and spook them. God, that was a bunch of them. You know how you can just see all of them swimming? You can't really make out a single fish. There they are. There they are. Coming back here at about. Oh God, it's a huge school, dude. Huge school. God, they're a huge school. They're not biting. I'm right in the middle of them. They're right here. Right there. I'm trying not to point because I'm scared they'll spook. they're swimming this way. So, all right, so they're right there, right there. Oh yeah, I see them good. Oh God, that's a big one, dude. That's probably a little too close. A little too close. It's amazing how they do disappear so fast though. Like you see them, and then literally seconds later they're gone. Yes. The other group was going back this way. You could catch 22 and making a long cast. You make a long cast, you risk the chance of them being right there at the boat and taking you 10 minutes to reel in. But yeah, you get the bait away where you have a better chance of catching one too. I think I remember fishing here. Do they care much about your shadow and stuff?
Yeah, they'll...
Anything. Reeling fast.
Yeah, apparently.
I got him right there. I'm not even gonna move it. Got him? Cool. Is that a trout? Let's check this.
That's red.
No, it's a red. It's a red.
Red.
Let me just get out of the way here. Cool. So, paddlers. Let's go. First red we caught today. I was just on the little paddlers right there. We saw a big group of fish come through. Just cast it out. Can't use a lot of motion. You just have to let it sit on the bottom, let him come get it. Real cool. Big red. He was just dragging on the bottom. I had him on. That boy trying to get the camera on me. Oh yeah. I need to get that one. Probably pretty good. Oh no! Him got away. All right, guys, so we're wrapping up down here in Charleston redfishing. It's been a lot of fun today. Fished all day today. Had a really good day catching some speckled trout. Later in the afternoon, we went and did some red fishing up on the flats and the grass flats and stuff like that. And Daniel put us on. We had a good time catching a lot of fish different ways. We fished some of the steeper stuff for the trout, fished that flatter stuff for the to catch the redfish, all on Z-Man plastics. So it was a great time. If you guys ever want to catch some redfish, South Carolina is like one of probably the most underrated places in the States. You can catch a lot of fish down here. There's a lot of terrain, a lot of habitat, and a lot of real good fishing down here. So for now, we're gonna go get something good to eat and enjoy Charleston life.